Wait, Adobe. Hey. Stop picking up.
Touch everyone before you pick.
Take.
It's not bone. It's not bone.
That one.
Obi.
Yeah. Obi, leave it. Mom, take. Oh.
Yeah, take.
Eat your meat now.
What do you say?
No, down. Eat your meat now. Oh, my meat is too small.
My meat is too small.
But you can have my own.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hey, Mama Nupu.
Mama Bele, why did you do that? I want to but Mama Nupu, thank you. See now, you people have to learn to share. Mama Nupu has given me her own.
Ozugonu. Hey. Hello, Namo. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Hello.
How are you?
Auntie Adobe. Auntie Ezine said you should give me any of the dirty clothes.
Oh, really?
Wash it.
Is she going to the street?
Adobe, check the top of my bed. You see some dirty clothes. Chini,
Mama. Let me go.
Oh.
Obinna! Go and get your slippers. Let us go to the bush. You have seen it, eh? This is the only piece of land that I inherited from my father. And if I die tomorrow, you are the one to take care of you. As my only son. Do you hear me? So, if I'm around or I'm not around, make sure you'll be coming here regularly. So that you master the place. So that you know where it starts and where it ends. Anytime anybody pass with you, you will know. That is the essence of my coming here now with you. And you have known it. Good.
Bro, Papa,
Eh?
why are you sounding like that? Are you going to die or something?
No. I'm not going to die. But you know death. Death is inevitable. Death comes at will. It does not ring bell. It doesn't tell anybody that it is coming. So it can come anytime. But really, I am not dying. Oh? Wrong one.
Okay, I promise to call you.
Love you.
Hey, what were you doing when you had this cut off leg?
I went to the bush with Papa. When I had this injury, he took me there to show me the land from the beginning to the end, so that when he dies, I can take over the land as the really son.
That's what Papa told you.
Oh, Biuna. Did you show Mama this leg when you came?
Sorry, Hey, Adobe, tell us the story you wanted to tell us before we be now interrupted.
Adobe, over to you. It's your turn today. Oh yeah.
Okay, the story goes like this. There was a man. I was married.
What is this tell by moonlight? Adobe, please, if you do not want to tell us the story, then tell us. Let's go and see.
Yeah, okay.
What's the problem?
Did you take Obina to my
Yes, I did.
You did?
I said yes, I did.
You say you did?
Yes, of course.
You say you did? I overheard him telling his sisters that you took him to our land and told him that he will take over the land when you die. Ipu.
Is that why you call me?
Is it not enough reason to call you? Eh?
Well, I took Obina to the land. Obina is my only son. He deserves to know everything I own. So I took him there for him to familiarize there. Yes, I did.
You see this Sibu. Go and call him now and correct that impression, because it will not work. Are you now saying that my daughters are not your children?
I never said so. I never said so. They are all my children. Yes. But you remember that they are women. They will make their own homes. They will soon get married. Obina is a man who is supposed to take care of everything that I own in case I am no more. Yes.
Akos Konamifa. Don't tell me that nonsense. Oginidifa. What do you mean by they are women? They will make their homes. They will get married. Is it every woman that will get married? Eh? Go and correct that impression. I don't want problem. Just go and correct that impression. If they don't get married, it's just nonsense. Yeah, father took him to our land and told him that he will take over that land when he dies. Oria?
He told us something like that last night.
And both of you stupidly laughed it off. Oria?
Mama, does that mean anything?
Hey! You did not just ask that question. It means a lot. It means a lot. Your father took just one person to the only land we have and told him that he will take over that land when he dies. You're here asking me, eh?
Well, he did not give Obina any land. He only took him there to show him around where the boundaries are. He don't share any land or give Obina any land.
Which other way do you want him to share it? Eh? He has shown one person the boundaries. He has shown him everything. He even told him that he will take over the land when he dies. What was this to or share? Eh?
Adobe, I think I see reason for what Anna is saying. Yes, because if that wasn't what he had in mind, he would have taken all of us to see the land.
Oh!
Or are we not his children?
Joa!
Did you just mean what you just said right now?
Adobe, I mean every word I just said. Listen, let me tell you the truth. Sana anyunu. Because I will not let it happen. You will not have any other thing. You will now have any inheritance just because you're girls. Sakwana anya. As for me, I will do everything possible to make sure it doesn't work. Amara Makuni. Are you people game? You're game. Okay. Papa!
Lotanna, why are you people with cutlass this morning?
Papa, we want you to take us to the farmland to show us everything about it.
You don't want to talk.
Is there anything wrong with the doctor?
Papa, everything is wrong with us. Everything is wrong with us. You took Obina to the land that belongs to all of us. And you told him that he would take over the land when you die. As the only son. Papa, why? Why? Adobe, why are you shouting? What is wrong? Your husband took your son to the land that belongs to all of us. Yes, and told him that he will take over the land when he dies. As the only son. It's not possible. It is not possible. Nani can never say that.
You think so? You think so? Why not ask your son or your husband?
Mama, it's true.
Hey, Nani, how could you? Mama, you're here and you're hearing these girls talk to their father in such a manner and you're not saying anything.
He deserves it. Yes, so he deserves it. Because I don't know why he should take a piece of land that belongs to the whole family and give to one person.
Whatever Papa told, don't listen to him at all. You hear me? Don't listen. Papa is just joking.
Papa, please. Is it true? Did you say that to Obina?
Now listen. I am the head of this family. Nobody questions my action. Nobody. Now both of you leave my side. Leave this place immediately.
Papa, we are not leaving.
I can live here.
We are not going. You take us to that land. We are not going. You take us there.
Adobe, you and Lotanna, who have gone in. You people have seen it.
Mama, you said it though. I didn't believe you.
Good. He said we should get out of his sight.
Mama,
Mommy.
Let's go. Mama, we are not going anywhere. Mama will take us to the land.
No.
What's the meaning of all this? Is Rebecca not angry with my son?
Mama, look at the kind of question you're asking, Papa.
Is it not very obvious that they are not happy that you have a son?
Will you shut up your mouth? If you may shut up your mouth, why would you say a thing like this?
But Papa, I will not shut up. I will talk. Yes, they are not happy. What surprised me most was when Obina was telling us about how you took him to the bush. Everybody was enjoying it. No one complained. So why would they come up with such thing now?
It was a misconception.
Misconception indeed.
Whether it was a misconception or not, Bom, we need to talk to them.
Yes.
If I listen, I will not talk to you.
I will warn them. They won't do it again. I promise you. But let us just take it that nothing happened.
So what do you do? No,
I said it and I will do it.
Obin, I know this is your favorite scene. What is it?
Mama, they said they don't want to eat with us.
Nan.
If they don't want to eat, let us forget them. Let's forget them and eat our food.
No, Nan. Let me go and call them. Yes, I'll call them.
I wonder why they should think like this. See, because of this small thing that just happened.
Can you see? Just a little thing. They will magnify it.
I sent Isn't to come and call me people to eat. But she said, you said you're not coming to eat.
So why are you here?
I just came to find out why.
As you can see, we are trying to cook our own. Mama is in. You must have one in this. Good. And there is absolutely no way Oka can intimidate Inisu. I have said it. So get up.
Adam, Lota, why you people should come, let's go and eat. What did Esme tell you when she came? Forget about what Esme said. Lota, if you see the big piece of meat I kept for you, you can like it.
Forget this woman. You like it? You like it? Come on, you like it? Follow you up in this house.
Mommy,
Go! I will show you this. Your tough woman is made of. Just leave. Go! Hey! Are you still there? Yeah. I said this now. Mama, did any of them touch you? Then why are you playing, Mama?
Mama, no called me. She said I'm a backstabber.
She did what? What can you do? Lady, my mother just said you did not touch her. I swear to God, if I touch my mother, how can you forget to do it? I was not right! Did you
point at my mother! Hey! Don't even call me! Don't call my name! Because you caused everything that is happening right here! Hey! Esine, I'm asking you the last time.
Don't you ask me that stupid question! I did not touch you! You hurt me! You hurt me!
Mama, did she touch you?
Yeah, she did not only touch me. She did not only point at me, she slapped me. You're a liar.
Mommy, you slapped my mother. Oh, you thought...
It's okay.
How dare you walk away from me? Are you mad? Are you mad? The next time you will try this, the heaven will not only look, but it will cease to rejoice. You are mad. You are mad. Get out!
Mama, please, let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Come on, useless girl. Useless people. Shame on you.
Ezinne!
Mama?
Give up your piano. Come, please.
Mama?
Okay. You know, it's obvious Mama Nuku is not happy with us. Especially with you.
Because of what, Mama? It's impossible.
Okay.
Why are you not happy with me?
Shut up your mouth. What do you know? Listen to whatever man has to say. As it is impossible.
Obinna, you're my only son in this whole world. If anything happens to you, you understand, I'll be lost. So you need to be careful. Watch the things you eat from them and how you go in. It was in your presence that they refused to eat with us. Doesn't that show you that they have something at the back of their minds? Okay. Oh?
Have you heard her? Henceforth, do not ever go close to them. Do not go to their house. Do not collect anything from them, be it food or water. Have you heard? Have you heard?
Why are these things happening?
They are happening because of you.
I will tell you why. You see, they are jealous of you because they know that if anything happens to your daddy, you'll be the one to inherit that piece of land.
Yes.
And take over all the property. That is the genesis of the whole thing.
What is land? Let's leave the land and become happy again.
Hey, is there? Will you shut up your mouth? What do you know? If you say that nonsense again, I will slap the living daylight out of you. Don't you know that land is very important? Or when you must have grown and you want to build, you build it on top of my head, or on top of Mama's head. Land is very important.
You leave your father's land and you go away when you're the youngest son of this land. Now check it, Jenny.
No, I'm not comfortable with this.
Obina, so you've grown, eh? You are talking and you're walking out. If I slap you, Mama Chabugodi.
Finally. Thank you.
Maria, it took you forever to come out for this meeting. Sorry, Isi.
The one yara.
Well, the most important thing is
Dear Maria,
forget that things are like this. I want you to always remember that I am the first wife of this honorable family.
Hey, that's for certain.
You are just coming now for the meeting I called over an hour ago. I know now I'm going to take it. Excuse me. Hold it there. I need to correct an impression here.
Mama, look. Nana. Dikeh, did you invite us for this meeting to remind us that you're the first wife of this family? Mama, I have been shutting up and I can't shut up anymore. Yes. I'm not shutting up. The fact that I call you Mama Nuku and Mommy does not mean that I don't know my rights in this house. Yes. Hey.
Maria, I put it to you that you don't even know your rights in this family. Look at her, big for nothing woman.
Small for nothing.
Did I hear you singing it? Is anybody talking? Shut up, your mouth!
You cannot do me anything! You cannot do me anything! You heard her very well! Oh yes! She said that you you! Lotana Onunkapi! And this wicked woman! Yes! All of you, Budini! Tiny Kapu! Tiny Kapu!
How many times have I called you?
Boreto.
Uncle Boleto? Uboleto? Now get back to the house.
Eh?
Get back to the house!
I am not going anywhere.
What?
I am not going anywhere! Lotanda must come out here and face me. I will be here till tomorrow if you don't come out.
Just leave her, okay? Leave her. Tomorrow we will get her.
Mama, I can't. Mama, I cannot. Hey, no. Lotanda must come out here. I will break this door. Come out here. You know, now. Now you are dumb. Now you are deaf. You can't hear me. Come out here. Lotanda, come out. I will break this door.
Listen, I'm going to beat you like a little girl now. I will beat you.
Papa,
do you want to break my door?
Papa, I will break this door. I will break this door.
You break my door for what?
Because of Lotanda. Why would she come and fight me? Eh? I was quarreling with Adobe, not her. I am older than Lotanda. Why would Lotanda come close to me to touch me? Oh, no. Lotanda, come out here. Come out. I should even turn my clothes, mommy. See me. My clothes is torn. Because of who? No.
Okay. Come, let's go home. We will deal with her later. Just calm down. There's no point wasting your energy, yeah?
I know.
Because of you.
What now? What am I going to have to touch you?
Go with your food. I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat.
Meaning you're not hungry or what?
I am hungry. But I don't want to eat your food. That is what I said.
Nai, I hope you're joking.
Just go with your food. I'm not eating. Go with it.
No problem, I will go. So I should carry it?
Carry it and go.
Don't shout. No problem. I should carry it. You're not
Just
eating?
go, I'm not eating.
Okay. So this is why you do not want to eat my food? Eh?
I don't have that time, I told you.
You eat it too. Seafood. If you want to eat, eat. If you don't want to eat, leave it here.
Open okay. Nine. When you women don't bend in our marriage, found what chassis, no matter how much they try, I can fabric.
Maria! Maria! I'm a Nagarubu. I'm a Nagarubu. Nine. Very.
In our power, boy. I come out to see as I was getting of your thoughts.
Very. Maria! Rim! Any other? What is it?
Come out, dog! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Hey, tell her to come out, oh! Tell her to come out! Come out! Burn this house!
Which house?
Come out! This house!
Will you burn?
This house! Come out too! Hey!
Tell your mother to come outside. Tell your mother to come outside. Else! Forget me, man! Hey, but tell me. Thank God you are here. What will you do?
Rebecca, you went to call these tiny pigeons you have in your house for me.
Oh!
He called Adiosi. Yes. He can watch
You want to Calm down now.
Calm down if you are not afraid of me. Calm down. Calm down.
It's respect.
Hey, Mama, you don't calm. Calm down.
You think my mother is afraid of you? Can you tell me what will you do? I'm respecting you.
Listen, listen! You people are pushing me to the wall. You are pushing me to the wall. You are pushing me to the wall. Because if I bounce back, it will be better.
Oh, wait, baby boy. Papa, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
Nine. I want you to give us a date that we're going to share our land so that everybody will mind his or her own business.
Give you a date that you will go and share which land.
The only land we have now, called the two.
Is that why you call me Isaac?
Yes. Or do you like the way we fight every day? Do you like it?
Rebecca, I can see you don't have any respect.
Don't have any fear. Well, I don't have any land that I'm going to share to anybody. You hear me? And let me warn. Don't call me again for this kind of meeting. Don't call me in respect of that land again. You hear me?
What makes you think you can actually walk out on me without solving the issue on ground?
Rebecca, if I'm not mistaken, I am 20 years older than you.
100 years. So what?
Rebecca, can you stand on the way of your father like you have just done?
My father is a very responsible man.
Now get out of here.
Oh dear.
Get out of my way!
Bia, Rebecca, move out for him now. Why are you blocking the poor man?
I don't know.
Will you shut up?
Imagine.
Shut up! Is it your business?
It is my business. Yes, he's our husband.
Who's your husband?
It's not so in
Who's your
He's our
husband?
husband.
Can you stand on the way of your father like you
No, my father is a responsible man. You need to find out, man. I
am going to do to you what an irresponsible man can do to his wife. You hear me? Please come out from there. She doesn't know herself.
Calm down! Come with her.
Come out.
Man, you can't be trusting him.
Don't
allow her to say.
Calm down. Yeah, prayer. Foolish woman. Come. You must share that land. You must share it. Who do put on the
Two women in one house, somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight, mobulonka, obuloza, mobulula, obulopa, ezinula, rasasia, Vanu, come, chai, they have started again. Osuga. Two women in one house, somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight, Osuga Kifanaza, two women in one house, somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight,
Nani can walk by you. There will be no peace in this house, except these things are shared into two equal parts. Mom, half given to Mama Nuku, half given to Mama Bella.
Papa, did you hear that? Hey. Did you hear what she just said? Violent woman.
Madrid, it is obvious. You are completely against me. You are looking for my trouble. Yes. Manan magwa nkebe ezogu. Okuko setapu ijele ya bakwana also. Okuko setapu ijele ya bala also. Why did you enter into that farmland without my consent? And you know very well that all these things belong to you and Mama Obinna. Simple. Why?
Don't just get me angry. Don't get me angry. I am your first wife. And Adobe here is your first child.
Mama,
I do not have any business with this woman and my children. Is it because I'm a nice woman?
Now listen. This thing should be shared into two. It should be shared into two.
Yes.
And let me sound this warning once again.
to everybody. Nobody should enter into that farmland without my consent and approval.
Impossible! Nobody is dividing anything here. Yes.
Adobe. Adobe, you are going to contend with me. You will contend with me, but I assure you, you are going to regret it.
No regrets anything.
You will regret it. You hear me?
Papa, why do you hate us so much? What have we done to you?
Behave like my real daughters.
No, you are behaving like that.
Not at all. You are not behaving like my real daughters.
Who is even sure?
It's your fear.
It's
your
fear.
Let me tell you something. I am not afraid of your life. Neither am I afraid of anything about you. Yes. I'm just keeping quiet because you can't go out from now.
Yes.
Now you can share the produce.
Share what?
Share it.
Don't touch
Where?
Respect yourself.
Papa!
Respect yourself. Don't touch me.
Papa!
Pack my things.
Papa, no. Papa, please. Papa, please open your eyes. Papa, Chalo.
Look, my brother. I didn't want to cry out to you people because I thought I could resolve the matter by myself. But you can see, when one was on the and Alanga Halal. My wife, Mama Adobe, was helped to something. So I can see it now.
Bonnie. In her mind, no, are you joking or are you serious? Are you telling me that Rebecca, Mama Adobe, purposely pushed you down?
No. If you she pushed him and even wanted to go on top of him, stealing the picture of his life. We held her back. Mama, seriously, as from today, I don't want anybody to hold me from what I have in mind to do to those people. I don't want.
It has not gotten to that. Whatever thing you have in mind that you want to do to those people, cancel it here and now. Because this matter will not go further. Bye.
What are you here for? You want to find out if he's dead or alive, okay?
I came to know how he's faring.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Nine, don't know.
Thank you. The plan did not work at all.
Look at who plan. It is just the work of the devil. No way going to.
Rebecca, Mama Adobe. I don't want to believe that you purposely, you intentionally pushed your husband down because of plantain and palm fruits from his own land.
Because this is not the appropriate place and time to apportion blames. You heard when I just said that it was the work of the devil.
Thank you so much. You can now leave now. Good Samaritan.
Look like you will leave. Our home family.
I'm very sure you heard what he said. He said he cannot leave.
Look at okay. You won't need believe. Your presence irritates me. Look what you were here now. Leave now.
Rebecca, Mama Adobe.
Leave now. 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 Leave now.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
I know you're hungry. Just hold on, eh? Let me go and get you food. Hmm? We'll finish it before your mother comes back. Hmm?
And you, Musa, are you hungry? Yes, I am. You cannot say no. Move back. Leave here. The food.
Hey! You gave him what? Obina, have you tested this food?
No, I've not tasted it.
For someone I can know! Are you stupid? Don't you know they want to kill you? You want somebody to kill you? Eh? Andrew, why did you give my brother food? Why won't I give him? Oh, Madu, why did you give my brother food? I give him food. Hey!
You chew the food and you go with our enemy.
Yes, I'm here.
You chew it away.
What will you do?
You are going with them.
Auntie Lotana, please separate them, Nanny.
Don't call my name. Don't talk this public. Don't be right. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Stupid. Look at it.
Shut up! I am very disappointed. See what? Obina. I'm disappointed. You're very foolish. It is now very obvious to me that you're very, very stupid. You were told not to collect anything from anybody. And you went ahead. You still went ahead and collected something from our enemies, eh? So you want to die? You want to die so that they can take over everything up here? Obina, after dealing with you today, next time, if someone gives you food, you say no. Chinak again. Chinak again.
Leave me alone. Can't you see what Escalation is doing? Because I gave that boy food. She spit up that boy. I don't like it.
Let me tell you something. You automatically be at fault if you go out there and fight her.
I don't care. I don't care. Let me go and save that boy. Escalation is actually beating this boy because I gave him food.
Does it concern you? I don't be waiting. Wait.
Okay, see.
Stupid boy! Idiot! You want to die, Abby? So that they can take over everything from us. Rubbish. Never come here! I'm not done with you.
See!
Wait, Adobe, wait. Adobe. See, let's just let it be. Let's avoid the devil. Because I'm begging you, huh?
Escalation, you are trying me, You are trying me. Leave that boy alone. Leave that boy alone.
If she likes it, I'll kill him.
Leave that boy alone. Okay.
Adobe, it's okay.
No problem. No problem.
Mama, a second would have been too late. This Obinna or Saboreka, he really ate the food.
Hi. Nani, did you hear that? Okay, Noli folk.
You're not trying to get up there.
I'm sorry, I will not try it again.
Will not try it again. How many times have I warned you? How many times have I warned you? You go there and be looking for food to eat. Etiko, did you beat him very well?
Trust me now. Don't you know me again? I gave him the beating of his life. He will never try it again. And also,
it's always good to be cautious. However, I know it's not from the money.
But did you know that she would push you down?
And what you time you that she would ever push you down?
I wonder.
They say that she doesn't have it at the back of her mind.
I never thought at all that all these things will be happening in my family. Eh?
Say it to me. Cautious is the word. Everybody should be.
Have you heard them? You need to be very cautious. Be very careful. You hear me? A word is enough for the wise. If your mama ya man wait, you must fear. Listen to them.
What pains me that
I'm even a better copy than you.
oh, if I'm near a snap, watch a million. Nice, your Sarah or dog now. No,
Why did you give him my food? Eh? Abacha no kapwa.
Ask her. I told her, but she wouldn't listen to me.
Mama, I was not thinking about the implication. I only wanted to save the poor boy from hunger.
Let this mistake not happen again. Hear me, Prof.
I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
Ezine was so lucky. Eh? If not that my sister Adobe was at fault, I would have dealt with her. I would have given her the beating of her life. Nonsense.
No. Can I have to shut up? Eh? I can't even say anything.
No, the food is too plenty. It's many, that's why.
No, Kabu. Eh? Hear me, Prof.
What has happened has happened. If you mail name name is gonna also. No, bury here, best gonna also. Yeah, best gonna, but go busy also. If it happens again, listen, we, the kinsmen, will not sit and watch whosoever it is that will raise his or her hand on Nai again in this family. Oh, my mess, what?
Nai here. He is the eldest in in our kingdom, and we give him maximum respect. Please, whatever you are trying to do, be very cautious. Be good.
Now, because darling, when I make no as we come, I can ask an agbo phone for now. What brought about all this matter that is on ground was that I took my son to my land, the very land all of you know. I showed him the land and I showed him the boundaries. That was all.
What was all? Tell them now, finish the story. Tell them how you told your son that when you're gone, he will take over everything.
Yes, of course. I did. Because he is my only son. If he doesn't know it, who else?
Oh, okay.
Mama is in Mama Kefa. Were you aware of this?
Nothing. Nani, I knew nothing about it. Until they started talking about it. If we go see a job. 1 year. Until they started talking about it.
Well, ma'am, you didn't do well. Do you understand? I tried to make peace with Miami here. The woman just started abusing me. She called me names. She said that I'm a backstabber.
That's okay. Bia, Mama Adobe.
Sir, no respect.
Rabia, Kedi Femel, what happened?
Thank you, my husbands. Please, I want to ask a question. In a polygamous family that produced 4 children, 1 son, from 2 different mothers, how is the best way of sharing their father's property? I just asked a question.
I know where you are driving at. Managado Quamont. Now, John, one each may talk away Jabol. We talk with Alabu. Bolusenubi. Wolf. n'enu okpukuru. Ugbu ofu n'okwu ya. Owele nke ọzọ nataba. Maka onye nwe nke ejiri ọrụ. Now, like I said, I know where you are driving at. But here in this community, in Ibagwa community, the Ibagwa community tradition allows only the male to share his father's properties. And that is even when his father is dead and gone, not while the man is still alive.
Oh, yes.
Oh, are they made
yes, yes.
Oh my shit! Hey! Think of my shit. I said no. I said no to that tradition because it is fashion.
See, Lenanya, even be so where I come from, everybody is equal. Even the constitution of this country has made it so. So so I will not agree. I have 2 girl children for my husband. He went and took everything and gave to one person. What if those my children want to build on their father's land?
But your children are women, and they will get married one day, and then they will have to build a home somewhere else.
God bless you.
Must every woman get married?
Yeah.
Eh?
Can you see? Can you hear her?
Unanugie. The kind of prayer a woman will say for her own daughters, because of a piece of land. Unafuge, what kind of a woman is she? What kind of woman are you?
I am that woman that you saw, fell in love with and married. The only thing is that I have refused to allow you intimidate me because I know my rights.
You don't know anything. Mommy, you do not know anything. Now, stop forming. Stop feeling cool.
You want
to just put down way.
You want to be Do you think I'm an illiterate like you?
I don't want to start. I just look at that. Stop that nonsense. Stop that. Okay, leave me alone. Okay, and the pistol. And you compare them. Hey, and I tell you, hey, it's okay, belong on a home. So okay, the master's home. At least they will really give it up.
Let me say this. Nobody should try to drag or want to share our brother's property. No, not while he's still alive.
When he's alive.
When I know.
No problem. But let him write his will. Sign it and share copies to us. If not, Oga, if not, there will not be peace in this. There will not be peace. I promise you that. I'll pray for peace. I say you. Not be peace.
Nemo, I heard everything you told them. You spoke like a
I don't agree. I never knew our mother is this intelligent. Mama, you spoke wonderfully well. Yeah.
I told that stupid Oka woman that I am not an illiterate like her. That I know my rights and I will stand by.
Mama, I heard you. I heard everything. Hey?
Mama. Well, I have spoken my mind. I told your father that he must write his will. Sign it and give us copies.
Mama.
If not, no peace
at all. Mama, you deserve a high five for this.
Okay, Mama.
Bagam.
Bagam.
Mama. Soup.
I'm hungry.
Don't worry. What do you want to eat? I'll prepare it for you.
Unam, you know you are my closest brothers. And that is why I have come to make some inquiries from you.
What is it that you have come to inquire about from us? Can you
You know, since after the meeting of yesterday, I've not been very comfortable.
Why?
I heard my wife, Mama Edo, say something about the constitution of this country. Yes, so I have come to inquire from you if the constitution of this country says anything about sharing someone's property. That is why I
if it is about that, the answer is yes. So long as everyone lives under the law, the constitution of this country says something about it directly or indirectly. Way of talking about it. That is
of course. What else would she have meant? Or you are afraid that she will take you to government?
Just that I don't want anything to affect me when the son will be.
No, Obina. No. Nothing will affect your son. I'm going to hear about you, God has made it in a way that the rest of your children are female. So automatically, one day they will all get married and find themselves in different homes. And then the matter will come to
Two women in one house, or somehow, mobile argument, or blue fight, two women in one house, or somehow, mobile argument, or blue fight, mobile onka, or buloza. They have started again. Two women in one house, or somehow, mobile argument, or blue fight. Two women in one house, or somehow, mobile argument, or blue fight. Two women in one house, or somehow, mobile argument, or blue fight. Two women in one house, or somehow, mobile argument, or blue fight. Mobile onka, or buloza. Mobile la, or bulopa. Ezinula, rasasia. Run, come, child. They have started again. Two women in one house, or somehow, mobile argument, or blue fight. Two women in one house, or
Bom.
Emma, you promised you were going to get this much.
Listen. We'll do that.
You will?
We. Listen. Anything.
Nine. I want us to have a brief discussion. Yes. Let her leave us. It's private.
Don't understand.
Let him never understand. Eh? What will he never understand? I want to have a brief discussion with you. 3 walk round. Let her leave. Let her leave. You don't get her yoga?
Don't even go there. Excuse you how? I'm not going anywhere. This is my house. I am not going anywhere.
You don't know when you're
No, I don't like this thing or don't like it, but because I respect you. Let this be the last time you step in here and tell me to leave my house for you. If you want to discuss with him privately, you invite him to your own house.
You don't know my God. No. You don't know why here. You don't know why you're okay. Baby, I have come to remind you of how to do.
Is that the discussion?
Yes, and I want you to give me a date now.
Maria.
My name is not Maria. My name is Rebecca. Maria is
Rebecca. Okay, Madonia may be million Noya, and I may go opposite. Now, walk out of this house.
I say live here. Get out of here. That is what I mean.
Boniface, you cannot use violence to achieve this one. So just calm down.
I say get out of this house. Or do you want me to push you before you go out? Do you want me to push you out of this place?
Push me. Push me. Move Rebecca. Why you be so out of this place? Wash. Hear me. If you try it, if you try it, I will remind you that I'm from Listen. Nyem deto. now.
Obina's ball touched my clothes. Instantly, he went there and started cleaning it with his dirty hands. So, when I saw it, I got angry and I slapped him.
You slapped him? You slapped a little boy that you knew the day he was born. You went to Tulula when you're decimal 25 because of your stupid Okirika clothes.
It's okay. Amazing. It's okay. Isn't it? Tell us what happened.
Papa, I know what Obina did was wrong. But what right does she have to beat my younger brother? For what? She gave Obina 2 slaps. When I asked her what Obina did, she said Obina mistakenly dirtied her clothes. What's the meaning of that? Then I pulled her back and gave it to her the way she deserves.
The tiger. You grabbed her and dealt with her. Look at what you did to your sister's clothes.
Mama, this is sister. Sister. Whose sister? This one, my sister. She can never be my sister. She's not my sister.
Listen, sit down.
No, Papa, now leave me.
Sit down.
Let me go and jump into the river because this age, your officer said she's not my sister. I don't pam cap what jaw. What bitch. Get out.
Keep quiet, for goodness sake. I'm not in. What do you have to say?
Not much. Lotana has to take my son to the hospital to get treated. Else she has me to contend with.
Madovi, what do you have to say in this matter?
Simple. Ezine here will have to buy the exact clothes for my daughter because she did it intentionally.
Yes.
Whoa! Thank you. Over my dead body!
It's okay. Adobe, over to you. What do you have to say?
Lotana will take Obina to the hospital. Then Ezine will buy the clothes. Simple.
It is very obvious to me now that you're not only blind or stupid, you are also dumb.
You're stupid.
You're hopeless.
You're stupid.
You're a stupid
You're
girl.
a fool.
Useless and
You're a goat.
Hold it. It's okay.
Foolish girl.
It's
Let
okay.
me see. If you don't buy those clothes,
It's alright.
I will
Stop
go inside
making the noise.
and turn all your clothes one by one.
Now
You
listen
will
to
see.
my
Can I
judgment.
give you a tip? This one.
Listen for goodness sake.
You know I do with you. Don't worry.
What is wrong with you? Now listen to my judgment. I'm not being. You will take your son to the hospital.
Okay. You can name the money.
Lotana, you will take care of her clothes. And that is final.
Papa.
Hey! You are so...
Obina, look, go get me a glass of water. Get me water, cup of water. Obina, look at me. Hey, I'm for that one. Obina, oh. Hey, Obina, call your father. Go to the farm and call your father. But also no, Obina. Hey, I want to go no more. Hey, Obi, your mother is calling you. Hey. No time now, Zoko! You have killed me! Ay!
No time now, Zoko! If anything happens to my son, you must go down with me.
Hey! Where are you going?
Mama, let me go. Let me know why she's calling my name.
No time now, Zoko!
Mama, please. I will slap you! I'm Mama Shigiti.
Mama, see, I'm not going there to fight. I just want to know why she's calling my name. That's all.
No time now, Zoko! You have killed
She
me!
said you killed her son. Eh? Just get back inside. Go back. I don't want to repeat myself.
That's their business. According my heart, it's my name that she's calling.
You won't believe. Eh? Don't you know that if anything should happen to that boy, you will be in trouble? Emma. I thank God that Obinna is well again. Nai, something has been bothering me since. Maria made a statement before Obinna was taken to the hospital. And then I did not understand it. I overheard Maria saying that Lotana will go down if anything should happen to Obinna. Nine. I did not understand it. Up till now, I still do not understand that comment. So I want her to clear the statement here and now. Thank you.
Dear Mama Adobe, is that the reason you called this meeting? Eh? I'm fine.
See. You need to shut up your mouth.
Hey, ask for the matter. Don't even point at me.
Shut up your mouth. And if you point at me again, I will slap that stupid death.
Who will you slap? Who will you slap?
It's okay.
Papa, don't tell me it's okay. Don't tell me to shut my mouth. Eh? What are you people claiming? Smart. Eh? Let me tell you. I am smarter than all of you. You better go to the church and thank your God that my brother is alive. Makachineke who made me, Lotana, if anything had happened to my brother, Papa, did you hear her? No, Papa, did you hear her? Isn't it? If I start with you, I swear to God I will not stop. You know, Yala. Are you mad? Yes, I will punish you. Sit down.
It's okay.
The person is okay. Sit down. Try it again. Nonsense.
If I hear film from you, what is wrong with you? And you too. All of you will have me to contend with. What is wrong with you two? Eh? Why is it that nobody in this family listens to my voice again? What is wrong? Eh? You people want me to die now?
Don't
mind us. Yes, really. Oh, come on. We had better chase away the busy woman and bring in a snake to live with us. Sit down. Bom, Momo.
I purposely call you people here. Ini Edo people. Hey, away.
From what we are here to discuss, even you, Mama, please, I'm sitting quiet.
Your family has been known as one of the peaceful, polygamous family in Ibawa, the community.
But what is going on now? Why did you allow the devil to tear you apart? I know that no one is perfect, but sometimes let us try to work towards perfection in order to defeat the devil. You couldn't know one even. Now do you want to have this wine? You are the first wife.
One year. And the oldest as well. Bamba. You know, she had to go never. Oh, just beginning. What makes you think she's older than me? Because I call you mommy. Remember birth certificate? She does not recognize the fact that I'm older than her. She does not. You cannot eat your cake and have it.
For that reason, there will never be peace in our family.
If again,
there will never be peace until my request is granted.
If again, you have not seen the way the human mind works. If before Blobi, Achobi, not peace because of her request. Nonsense. Madobi, rethink. Remember those peaceful days. Let us allow the peace to reign.
Peace.
There is no peace. There is no peace. I am not seeing anything like peace in your family again. Where there is peace, happiness always reigns. I am not seeing peace again. People don't know why even.
Then tell her to tell our husband to share that portion of land that is causing this problem. Once he shares it, trouble Allah.
It cannot happen. You see that land? It can never be shared.
That piece of land is meant for my son, Obina. Yes.
Because I don't have a son.
Only son in the family. Bom Junior. Biko, thanks for inviting us. Oh, Manifgo Cody, I beg to take my leave. Nolo Afuma.
You never made a boo away. Anyway, Eunice, I appreciate you everything you have done. Thank you. That
means that the meeting in hospital is what kind of body face was saying, Maka?
Nifani.
You are back.
How did you go? It went the usual way, so abruptly.
Why not advise Boniface to share that land?
The good thing I come. Advise Boniface to share that land. Boniface to share the land while he is still alive. And then it is an abomination, and you know that.
Nani, at times, some things have to be changed in order to solve the problem on the ground. That family is dying away, and you are here talking about abomination.
Listen, you can talk about any other thing being changed. Not tradition. You don't change tradition. And listen. One thing I will assure you is that Rebecca can never destroy that family. You can never destroy this family. It's not possible.
What else
Rebecca cannot destroy this family.
Can we have fun at the family? The family is destroyed? No, let me tell you. She said it before me. That if that land is not shared, that the worst is yet to happen.
The worst yet to happen. Nisia. Okay, on her own head. Now let me tell you, in case you don't know, we are just keeping quiet. A day shall come when we will let Rebecca know the stuff we are made of in this family. Yes! Hey. That is it.
Manuel.
It's better he shared that land and let peace reign in his family again.
okay? You don't have to worry yourself.
Okay.
On about cook or force side.
Don't
worry. Take it easy.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
Don't worry yourself. When the time comes, you will see it. Oh? Get an avamba and a hard time. You could tell me, can you?
So why did you give me? My next one come for her. Of wine.
Has he won it since then?
No! That is why I can say that my God is good. Manzobu know you.
Rebecca, did you see the cloth?
I've seen it.
Adobe and Lotanna, you saw the cloth too?
Yes, we've seen it.
Who is responsible for this?
Eh?
I say, who is responsible for this?
Papa Cholugodu, just wait. Papa, you mean to tell me that you called us out here to ask who is responsible for cutting Obina's rag? Papa, the same rag you know it's not been more than 20 naira in the market, Papa. Papa.
Papa, wait. Are you in any way suspecting us?
Hey. The answer to the question he just asked is very simple. It is simple. Yes or no? Answer it.
Meshiano. Itibaribo Meshiano. Shut up. My husband, please, let this be the first and last time you will call me out to this kind of a meeting.
Suffered.
Adobe.
Mama.
Rebecca, at your wire. As you were when I beat Jacob. For your information, I did not call this meeting to find out who cut this shirt. Because I already know that it is between you and this your little uncapos.
Hey!
Yeah, Megan.
Nai, did you hear her?
Papa. You better say something reasonable about this matter. Before I come back now, it's your.
If you don't say something reasonable, Papa.
Hey, what do you think you can do? Let me respect my mother.
As for you, Maria,
Nikita,
I want to pretend I did not hear what you just narrated.
Nani, for your information, Moabu Maria, I am not afraid of you. You should be ashamed of yourself Trying to kill this poor boy that did not do anything for this poor boy that didn't do anything to you just because of a mere piece of land. Half a plot. And I'm going to land or dig a full plot. Tell her there, May.
Well, there's no point to worry. Watching ta, I got you. I know where I'm
in a temple center. Can't you be a kita? Can't you be an ambitious?
It's all an appeal.
In a waste of time. I'm going to demonize.
Papa, this thing is not a joke. It's not. Something has to be done about this before it's too late. My brother's life is involved. Ha!
Why would Rebecca? Mommy got Ikenna's clothes to take to Juju. Why? Can you tell this innocent boy, Melia? Can you for Melia?
Mama, stop crying. I'll be fine. Nothing is happening to me. I will be fine myself.
Everybody needs to be extra careful this time around.
Papa, being extra careful is not the solution to this problem. Papa, after today, and if you do not take any action about this matter, I will take mine. I can never allow my brother to die just like that because of Gini. Makapulana. Makagenize. Adobe! Agadewu! Lotana, come out here, all of you. What is your... Look at them there.
Hold on.
Come out! Oh.
Come outside. Come outside.
Jesus.
Yeah, madam, calm down.
Police.
You are under arrest with your daughters. Calm down now.
You're like who numeric? So cutting my brother's clothes. Oh yes.
So it's you call police first.
You haven't seen anything yet. Other police, arrest them.
Madam, calm down.
Hold on.
Did you tell me this?
Did I tell you what? Papa, I told you that after that day, if you didn't do anything about it, then I'll take action. You think I was joking when I said that? I know if I had told you, you wouldn't have allowed me to arrest them. Mama knows about it. Mama, don't you? I do. Oh.
Are you aware, Tony?
Of course I am. She told me before she went. Yes, now I'm aware.
Madam, calm down.
Officer, please, you should go. No, man, please, I'm the head of this family and should know before this kind of thing happens. Huh?
Are you trying to stop the arrest?
Quiet! The only person that can stop this arrest is the complainant.
Yes, which is me.
Madam, calm down.
Nonsense. Will you close the door forever?
Oh, I want that. Oh.
Close that door. Come on. Madam, come down.
What of them? Jesus! This is the healthcare one. Very good. Mama, Papa came and police granted them bail. But at least I got what I wanted. Mama, they signed an undertaking.
Hey! Oh, make a near. Him and Uncle in a mechanic, Ibulo Tondo.
Hi, Eziboto. And Mama, look at Papa. Papa came and was shouting at me in their presence. I totally ignored him and walked out.
It's not by going to the police station to sign an undertaking. Hey, because there will be war very soon.
War! War! Get ready for war! Get ready for war! I am ready for you people.
Jerry, charge your voice.
You see. If you want it, let us start it now.
Everybody now should listen again. Let me continue to warn you. Nasina gara fe okay, obula ala. Gara fe okay, obula ala. Let this not happen again. Let it be the first and the last. It will happen in this compound. I am begging everybody. Let nobody in this family bring in police in this compound. Let it not happen again. I am telling you from the bottom of my heart, if it happens again, anybody who does it, I am going to reject that person. Be you my daughter, be you my wife, and even my son Obinna, I will reject that person. Let us take this as a mistake. If it happens again, I am telling you this, I will swear by the gods of this land, I will do something stupid. Everybody will regret it. That is all.
Yes, an adage that says there is no point crying when the head is cut off. You see these two women, these two people, they have touched the tail of the lioness, and I will not relent until I have proven to them that the gentle strides of the lion is not the same. Do you know what it means? Arresting me, Rebecca, why you be so? With my children. Hey, Maria,
Congratulations for being the first that called police for us. Yes, you arrested and locked us up, including my mother, who is old enough to be your grandma. Listen, like she said, the war has just begun. The war has just begun. You will see. Get ready, oh. Get ready.
Get ready to that place. Easy.
I'm off here.
Get ready to call her. Because this time, it will be so hot on everybody that even the police stop us.
Oh, God, I be
The cloth was taken to you. Thank God that it has been revealed. So we're going to pray, asking the Holy Spirit to send his fire to the evil kingdom. Amen. To destroy all their plans.
Amen. Pastor, you're a real man of God. You already knew that it was a woman that cut that cloth. Hey!
We're going to pray. Serious prayers. To cancel every plan, all the evil plans of the devil over his head.
Amen.
Arise, O Lord, let your enemies scatter. Arise, O Lord, let your enemies be scattered. Arise, O Lord, let your enemies scatter. Oh Lord, my God, arise. Open your mouth and begin to pray. Every power against the life of this young man, let them be destroyed today. Lord, let every power against this child, Lord, today, every hand, this hand is just revealed to me today, that is involved, oh Lord, to call the blood of this young child, Lord, today, to use it against this child today, Lord. I cancel the spirit of death. I cancel the spirit of death today. Lord, let every hand against this child be cut off today. Let every plan against this child be destroyed. You said every weapon come against us, Lord, shall be destroyed. Lord, anywhere they are, every judgment, every tongue they are speaking against us today, that the Lord will stand to decree. Let them be destroyed in the name of Jesus Christ. Lord, I decree as your servant that the plans of the devil over this child will not come to pass. Amen. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. I make a decree, you said, whatsoever I say shall come to pass, Lord. Yes. And I decree it today over this child, so shall it be. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Leka palata koprolotosha, lekane mandi lipatosha, ekrokotono, shalaga bagata, lekatona, erotototokotosha, erandegedegedegedegedegedosha, ekrokotokoto, matakataka palatesha, erondokototo, likratosha, maleka da, lekaba, redegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedegedeg It is done. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Papa Adobe. Papa Adobe. Papa Adobe. Oh, Guinea. What is this? Please don't say a thing like that. How can you say you want to die? You will not die. Stop doing this to yourself. Do you know that what you are doing is capable of putting somebody into blood pressure? Please, my husband, please.
I don't want to live again.
God forbid. You will not die. Okay, if you die now, what will become of your family?
They can kill themselves for all I care. What am I living for? What? Can you remember? I'm one way for I got on anyone. Let me die and go. The only person I care for is my son Obinna. If not for him, I would have gone far by now.
Please stop. Stop, don't talk like that. All we need now is prayers. Pray that God should restore peace in your home. Not the other way around, please.
God has turned his back on me.
Papa Obinna, God can never turn his back on you. He has never turned his back on his children. He is a merciful God. He loves his children. People now, stop saying all this. People. Hi.
Understand?
All we need now is prayers. Prayers.
Please. You sent for me. Okay, Mama.
Maria, the condition I saw your husband is not a good one. And I know it's as a result of that problem on the ground. If anything happens to him now, he will become a widow. God will forbid that. But Eunice, it is not my fault. It's all Rebecca's fault. She's the one that started it all. Honestly, Maluchukwu, I bear her no grudges. Give us a bit of more when we kick her. Eh? I know Rebecca started it. But you can stop it. How? By making peace. Accept you are wrong. Oh. Eh? Apologize. It won't take anything away from you. Then I see there's something you do not understand. The genesis of this problem is deeper than you think. The thing is that Rebecca wants our husband to share the only piece of land between both of us. Then persuade your husband to accept our advice. For peace to reign. I know why I'm saying all this. No, Eunice. Can't you find? How much did she pay you to utter those words? Can you put yourself in my shoes and imagine having the only son in the compound and you're asking me to tell my husband to share the land? Mami, how much did she pay you? I hope you are not trying to insult me. Biko, let's... Emma, I like him. You're a good woman, so let's leave it at that. The land doesn't belong to me. It belongs to Boniface. He does with his land as he pleases. It's not up to me to tell him what to do or what not to do. But I need you to understand that I bear no one, no grudges. You got to go?
Eunice, our husband will live long. He will live long and he will enjoy the fruit of his labor.
The condition myself is not the condition myself wasn't a good one at all. He opened his mouth to tell me that he is tired of living. That he wants to die. The reason I'm telling you all this is for you people to come together now and make peace. There's an adage that says, make hair when the sun shines. Can you make your children church be the one?
Thank you for this talk. But please, I'll be very glad if you can talk to my husband as well.
I have done that. I have done that. If I had a baby cat again.
You know, Dikeh is not good.
Nah, you didn't.
I can't question you.
I'm not going to be spoiled.
What's your name? Ele Bugeni.
People should rethink it.
Rebecca has been a good wife before this woman came. But Maria did not do anything wrong. Could it be that I caused everything that is happening to me now?
Everything is my fault. If I have given him more children as he wanted, he wouldn't have come up with the idea.
Stop crying. Wipe your tears away. You are not bound. Listen to my advice now. Don't let him marry a woman of his choice. Let him marry a woman that will be submissive to you. If possible, your relative.
Why do you say so?
Because we women are dangerous in nature. Let him marry a woman that will respect you and respect your opinion. Don't allow him to marry a woman of his choice.
You have a point there. But I will not choose for him. I want him to do it by himself. Whatever thing that comes up, he bears it. Because women are unpredictable.
Stop crying. Stop crying, okay? Is it okay?
Nothing, sit.
No, nothing. Sit down. I have a good news for you.
Okay.
No. I have been longing to tell you something, but I don't know how to start it.
You want to tell me something and you don't know how to start? What could that be?
It is not something bad.
Okay.
Anyway, it's a thing of joy.
Okay now. I say it now. Yes.
Adimime, I am pregnant.
What? You are pregnant? But considering the medical report, how come?
I also asked the same question. But one thing I learned is that no one is God.
Yes, that
if
is
God
true.
says yes, no man can say
yes.
The medical report says that I cannot conceive again. But God in heaven made it possible for me to conceive. Adimime, omego yanko ojiburu chukwu.
If only I had listened to you.
Come, let's go. No, I want to go up. Come, let's go. I want to go up and look for more mangoes. I will leave you alone. Leave me now. The mango has finished. Come, let's go home. It hasn't finished. Hey, Obinna! Hey, Obinna! Somebody help me!
speak to me now.
At the theater. Very nice. How is he doing? Speak, doctor, speak! But I'm sorry you lost him. Hey! Nurse!
My husbands, ndị Igbo say, na agwa otu onye hụrụ na awa eke. Nwunye di m here accused me of killing her son.
Nna anyị Bonny, nnụnụ a fefere n'okpuru eluigwe, ifuru okpukpo ya anya. Nya ihe a na-agwọtọ ihe Mama K. Are you aware of this thing?
This thing is happening within me, in my own family. So I'm aware of it. I'm aware. But when I first heard of it, I tried all I could to resolve it within us. Eh? But my wife refused. Especially Mama Edo, my wife. She said no. She insisted that she must bring it to you. What else will I do?
This is a serious matter. Amazing. Are you sure of what you said?
Very sure. This woman, she killed a boy that killed her. Hey, Rebecca, I thought I would give me
This is not good though. This matter is turning into something else. Mama is in me. I'm not going to make no wow. Nice, you're not easy. If so, I'm not put that no wow. I will handle. I am competent. What's the name, yeah?
Mama Adobe.
Sir?
Have you asked yourself? Have you searched your mind and you are sure that your hands are free?
I am free. That was why I decided to bring this case before you. Because I cannot be alive and Maria dents my image in this community.
In other words, you are prepared to swear to any oath.
I will swear, even here and now. I will swear I'm innocent. I mean, how can I kill my own son? Yes, Obinna is my son. He's not just Maria's son. Eh?
Rebecca, if your hands are not clean, here, don't ever think of talk more of going into oath taking. Because the Bagwa deity, also Budani, only Bukwene Nazo. The Bagwa deity is a merciless one. And you, Maria, please go into yourself. Ask yourself further questions. Make sure you are saying the truth. Because false accusation is another part of what we are talking about. It's also against our tradition.
I am very sure of what I'm saying. My spirit tells me I am sure. I am not going to take back my words.
Then that be the case. Because as we leave, sit with them one more time. Just have a discussion. Ask them further questions.
Impossible. Impossible. You will not swear. You will not swear. Mama. So you wholeheartedly agreed to swear before the elders to our community deity. Mama, the same deity, you know it can be changed or bribed, Mama. Mama, you are smarter than this.
Well, my children, my hands are clean. There is nothing anybody can do in the name of the deity that can affect me. I can do it.
Mama, I have said my bit. You will not swear. Mama, you see, our father doesn't like you anymore. If not, why will he allow the elders to resolve that you are going to swear before our community deity?
Oh! He was even the one that suggested it.
You've seen it.
How could I have killed this? Why would anyone even think about it?
Mama, sis, don't worry. Tomorrow, I will go to Luke's house and tell him that you will not swear. Okoya, you will not!
Well, what I want you to do for me is to pray. People should pray for me. Pray. Nothing will happen to me because I'm innocent.
Mama, we'll pray for you, but still you will not swear. No, Mama, you can't swear now. Even if you are going to swear, it's going to be with the Holy Bible. Thank you. Not with that thing they call, I don't even know the name. I don't even care to know. Don't swear.
The elders have resolved that she must take the oath.
Deity of this community. Impossible.
So
is that possible?
Papa, the hatred has gotten to the extent that you want our mother dead.
Oh.
A clear conscience fears no accusation.
Oh.
Yes. The deity of Ibagwa community does not kill an innocent soul, an innocent person.
Oh God.
So if your mother is innocent, the deity will not do her.
Spare me that! Spare me that! You think I don't know you people's plan? You want to kill my mother and abuse the deity of this community. Wow, it's not possible. It will not happen.
Your plan has failed. It will not work. My mother will not swear. My mother will never swear. You she-goats are just making noise for nothing. Like my father said, clear conscience fears no accusation. I don't know why you goats are making noise.
Hey, shut up your mouth!
If your mother is truly innocent, like she claims, she should swear by the deity.
Yes.
Simple. She will not swear.
Shut up your mouth then. Shut up your mouth.
You're very stupid.
It is stupid.
God will punish you 10 times. I swear to God, Adobe, I don't fear you. If you try as much as come any close to me, I will kill you this man. Would you die? Why not go to the expressway, lie down there and just die?
Wait. I can see that both of you came here to pray. Okay?
Yes. Yes. Prepare for who and who? Mama will not say. When I let you do this, Mama will not swear any day. We never. Impossible. She will not. She will
She will be banished from this community if she refuses to take the oath. That is the consequence.
Uncle, it would be better for her to be banned than to swear that deity.
Why? Are you afraid?
Auntie, you are asking like you don't know their plan.
What on earth could be their plan, according to your thinking?
Uncle, they want to use this opportunity to kill our mother.
Exactly.
That is their plan.
Uncle, that is what they want to do. Can't you see?
Now listen. The deity of Iba Agworokwe is a sincere and straightforward deity. And to crown it all, it's the kind of deity you cannot bribe. You don't bribe it. It doesn't kill innocently. Yes.
My dear, if your mother is innocent, nothing will happen to her.
That is the truth.
Are you sure?
That's the truth.
Are you asking them, are you sure? Me, I don't trust that deity.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
Omemana koro wijidi akuko dukuko. Bakrrr hai. Obonyoma. Ebukuru onye aka dị ọcha. O metere buru. Ana na agba igbo na ata nri. Ihe ya mamara ihe ya mara amahe amana. Otu aka ọ dị. Rebecca, come here and kneel down. You have to drink the content of this calabash to prove your innocence.
Elders of Ibawa community, the oath is done. Rebecca, you have to be indoor for 21 days. Then after 21 days, if nothing happens to you, then you know that you are innocent. Elders of Ibawa. But if something happens to her, you know that she's not innocent. Oh man, I call her with the Hakoko, the Kuko.
Mommy, Mama Nukubikomaya, forgive me. I don't know, it's because of all the quarrels and all the hatred that made me accuse you. Forgive me because Mama Nubu. Mommy, let us go back to what we used to be before because Mama Nuku Neziano Manya because Manya.
Nado Biko. Name one baby.
Sugar. somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight, aye, osuga kifanaza, aye, opatubaga, unyenacha. 2 women in 1 house, oduwa somehow, mobile argument, obulu fight,
When someone has high blood pressure, the person takes drugs, lies down a little bit to calm the body. But your husband's case is different. He doesn't even know he has blood pressure. And when this strikes, paralyzes part of someone's body, and that is stroke.
Doctor, that our husband has stroke.
Yes, he has stroke already.
Don't worry. You will be well in Jesus' name.
Mama, there is something I don't understand.
What is it?
Ever since we came back from the hospital, we've been the only people taking care of Papa. Adobe, Lotana, or their mother has never for one day come close to Papa, talk more of taking care of him. Why is he like that?
I don't know. Listen, let us carry our course. Eh?
Mama, that is where you go wrong again. It cannot continue to be so. This man lying here is our father. He's in pain. We should suffer it together, not the other way around. Okay, Bianca.
If Rebecca and her children like, let them help. If they don't like, let them leave. All I know is that I can take care of my husband.
No. Mama Semba, no. Adromaju, I cannot continue to be the one to take care of Papa while they are there enjoying themselves. I cannot. I won't continue to be doing this all alone. And they will just be there. We'll be taking care of Papa alone and they won't do anything about it. As my enemies.
How is he? Hey, one them one is still the same. They are just seller. No leave, no transfer. I never know.
It is well. He will soon be alright.
You know, I didn't bargain for this. If I brought a temple,
my sister, don't worry. Our God is not asleep. You.
Hi. Okay, see.
They are all going to be like because
I'm stroke blue for a bomb. Stroke.
Is our father. He is not just my father alone, but our father. Understand that?
Yeah.
And therefore, we all should be taking care of him.
Hey.
Oh yes!
You've not seen anything yet.
when you were living with him under one roof, you forgot he's our father.
Don't mind her. Easy.
My sister. Don't you, in your wildest dream, don't you ever try to come close to me. Not touch me, I will kill you. I swear.
Hey, you like?
Oh, sorry.
You like?
Okay, Biko. One name, Biko. Take care of our father.
Look at what you're saying. Oh, now it's very, very obvious to me that you rats wish my father dead. But it will not work. My fate will prove you wrong. It will never work. Oh, yes.
Mom, I'm not coming out. I am not.
Leave her alone.
They will have to listen to me today. I can see that you are ready for trouble. But trust us, we are ready to give it to you just the way you want it. How do you want it? Don't tell me why. Don't tell her. Hey,
Ogene, Ogene, I go. Go. Anywhere.
I am not going anywhere. You come down now. I know that I'm in your house and you're telling me to come here. You come close now. Come close.
Follow your mother. Follow here. Go to your side.
I am not going anywhere. Back to the house. Go to your house. Mama! Oh! Dude, why did you even separate us? Why did you separate us? You think I'm tired? Oh, I would have down to shoot today. It's your fear. What is it? Mama, did you know what this idiot did to me? This unknown Kapi. She goes around the village gossiping with my name.
Hey! Okay, Mama, ask your daughter, the subject of the gossip.
You don't want to talk?
No, you cannot talk again. No, you cannot talk.
Did you gossip with her?
See, trouble. My sister. I was on my own,
I was not looking for anybody's trouble. When a useless, stupid boyfriend approached me and asked me, how is your sister, Ezine, my girlfriend?
Boyfriend.
I warned the guy that he shouldn't ask me any stupid question because Ezine is not my sister.
Boyfriend.
That's all. What did I do?
Boyfriend.
Is it true? Mama, it is true. Mama! Oh yes, I am old enough to have a boyfriend. Besides, I am going to get married tomorrow. I'm moving to a man's house. Oh yes, you people can never get married in your useless life. That is why you're behaving like this. Oh yes. So Mama, yes, I have a boyfriend. But you, both of you, can you swear that you don't have a boyfriend?
You think I don't know? You have your own boyfriend. Can you swear to that? Can you swear that you don't have a boyfriend? Oh, we're not hiding it. You are the one hiding your boyfriend. Even if I saw him today, we don't have known that you have a boyfriend. Look at you. What the fuck? Don't fight. Useless girl. Okay, try.
Maria, Guinea. Huh? Where did you call me?
Asking him, Kandua, you know, it's been over 2 weeks now since her husband came back from the hospital. Neither you nor your children have bothered to come and take care of him, knowing fully well that wherever he's laid down, he defecates and urinates there. Oh, Guinea, what is it? Why can't you help and look after your husband? What is wrong with you?
Is this why you called me? Eh?
Oh. Is that why I called you? Have you forgotten that Boniface is her husband? It's been only my daughter and I looking after him. Only matter what is right and what is wrong.
Ah! So now you know that Boniface is her husband. Since you came into this house, you have been sleeping with him alone. You did not realize that he is also your husband. Huh? Maria?
Oh, but you did not tell me you wanted to join us. You had your night, I had my night. If I'd known you wanted to join us to do our own, you would have told me.
When you took my turn,
I never took your turn. Eda didn't already.
Carry his your cross.
Don't
call me again because of this matter.
The only thing I can tell you is that there is God. And he's watching you.
Machinekena. If you call me again because of this kind of matter, I made you very foolish.
Hey, away from my yard. The thing now to try Ota. Eh? Ota na logo yo.
Jam nusa.
Silo.
Yes, them there.
He's going to eat all the plenty food inside. Ow! I'll look at this next time. Walk fast. I don't know my head. Please now. Please now. Hey. Hey, Papa! Now. Hey, wait, go. Carry this thing now. Don't pour me this water. What's the meaning of this? Who did this? What are we going to do now? Let's take him back. Take it. Come on, let's take him.
My husband is welcome. Welcome. I sent for you people because I go to Onny that week. Came back. Myself and my children came back from where we went. Saw my husband dumped here.
Who dumped him here? Who brought him out here? Who? Could I know?
We don't know.
Could I do something back?
We came back and we saw him.
Mercy.
Who brought Nani out here?
Oh, Nani Dina. It's me.
Yes. Why did you bring him out here when you knew that Rebecca and her children were not around? Why?
Oh, Chimo. Rebecca found Maria. I didn't know. I thought they were inside. You know, since Nani came back from the hospital, they always lock themselves inside. Rebecca, if you need me, shut up.
Immediately. He should be taken back to his room immediately.
Now!
But not at all. He has always been lying outside in front of my own house. And this is also part of his house.
They don't listen to me. All of you. Take him back to his room immediately. Osibo! Bam.
Thank you. Officer. I can only take him back
No condition whatsoever. Now, take him back to that place. You must do what we have asked you to do.
I just felt that Rebecca and Onny, I should also take care of their father and our husband. Eh?
Now, get on to. Mama, you have just 10 minutes. 10 minutes. To take him back to his room immediately.
Thanks, sir.
If you don't do that, you have the whole of our kinsmen to contend with.
There. 10 minutes.
Please don't be angry. Oh, but I cannot carry him alone. Rebecca, she's covering her nose. I didn't carry him alone. I have to go to Oyago to go and bring what Wobi that help us to bring him here.
No, be fast about it. Hey, thank you. Why? How did Boniface get
10 minutes? Oh dear one. It's a lot of time.
Mana, even you people. Ife funu nyame. Makana keji mweru maatu. Ase hagu bulune. Whatever happened, you shouldn't have brought him out. You shouldn't have brought him outside.
Thank you, Nine.
Shut up.
Get it.
It wasn't my intention, and I am truly sorry about that.
You're just a heartless woman. What you did to her husband has proven that you don't even care about her husband's life.
Shut up. Don't even go there. Because I care about him more than the woman. Nani, I love my husband. I have been taking care of him ever since he came back from the hospital.
Before?
I carry his feces, I carry his urine. But this woman has not bothered.
Before? Yes. Because you're his lovely wife. Eh? You're the one he loves so much. So why are you complaining?
Jealousy. Jealousy.
No wonder.
Nani people, with all due respect. So if we can na yono keta, and that is to share how we will take care of our husband. Our husband on our pneumonia. Now abunuku mami. So she needs to be part of it.
Yeah, Mama Dodi.
Nine.
Is it true that you have not touched Boniface since he returned from the hospital? You met to be like a sister on that no.
Nine. Well, thank you very much for this question. If my husband was living with me in my own apartment, I would have been taking care of him without complaining. Why are you telling them to come and intervene? Did they share the love?
Nine. Maybe if Boniface had been in her apartment, she would have been able to take care of him alone. Manono Fumua, I need help. I cannot do it alone anymore.
How can you do that? What about your daughter? Is your daughter not there?
My daughters. My daughter has been doing it. My daughters.
It's okay.
Shut up.
It's alright.
Carry your car.
Hold on.
Don't point at me.
Listen.
Let's go. Are you okay?
Two of you. What we are saying, what we have decided is that thing should be done weekly by each person. Now, if you freeze up.
When he was showing her all the love, we did not share it. So let her carry her jealousy.
Jealousy.
You are not here. Come and share the love.
Listen. If you like, accept it. If you like, refuse it. But we have said it, and that is final.
Yes,
this is
final.
our decision.
It is final. Final.
Look at the water. Stop them.
Hello, Maria. Lawyer, welcome.
Thank you, madam. How is your husband?
He is getting better. How far? Are you?
Yes, I'm done, but he needs to sign it.
It's a very small thing. I will make sure he signs it this evening. Then I'll give it back to you so that everything will be fine.
So make sure you sign it.
Yes.
I will punch you. Okay. Thank you.
Nine. No. Wait. Get up. Come and sign. Yeah. Sign your When he make it sign a big Nani.
Lawrence, hurry up, please, be fast. What did you do?
What do you mean, what did you do?
He was alive when I left both of you here.
He's coming. Papa, it's me. Answer me, Papa.
You should ask her now. She was the one that called me in. What are you doing, man?
Are you people okay?
Mama, what?
Shut up! What?
Papa! You see me call Lawrence is coming. He's coming. Papa is in there. Well, she was with him. Then she called me. The next thing I entered. Now you're here.
What are you insinuating?
My boy.
Give me that doctor.
What is it?
What is it?
Hi! I want to stroke also. Oh, give me no.
No, Papa, you can't die on me, Papa.
Hey!
Papa! Hey, no, Papa, do it! Mama, madam! What do you have to do?
Keep
Stop that! What is wrong with you? Can't you reason?
Mommy, good day.
What is it?
I came to discuss something with you.
Something like what?
Nico, can you tell them, or can Fabu tell me more chess?
Say whatever you have come to say and get out.
So what do you? Because it's about the money realized at the burial.
Which money?
The money that was realized now, the one that the elders gave you to keep.
Maria, is that what you have come to tell me?
Of course now, it's a very important issue.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about, so you can get out, please.
I should get out of your house.
Maria, I hate to repeat myself. Just get out of my house.
So what? I invited you elders for this meeting today because I want to complain to you that I went to Mommy to ask her for the money that was realized on the day of her husband's burial. She chased me out of her house with a mug. Yes, a machete knife.
Mama baby, what do you have to say?
No. This is a day after her husband's burial. I don't think this is the right time to talk about this.
Asi, if you na wasi, agadaga asi kenasi, ambombo asi kenasi. It's a lie, you must discuss it.
This is not the right time to shout or argue about anything. Let us talk about this matter, settle it amicably. Onny.
Adobe. Now you look here. I remember gave you this money in question.
No, Lawrence, I just said something now. Eh? I am not in the mood to talk about this thing. I am very grieved. I don't want to talk about this. I am not in the mood at all.
I've always respected you people. But this time around, I will now take action myself.
Let me deal with this woman. Deal this here with her. Oh, no, don't get involved. I know how to get the money out of this woman. Yes, I'll get the money off this woman.
Okay, now listen. Like I said, we are going to settle this matter amicably.
Okay, come on.
If you're a man, now come.
Yes,
Mama do. Today we're going to do this. Now I'm going to if I'm going to go to the way I can also play about money.
Please, can we talk about this next time?
I forget.
Where is the money in question? You will not tell us to talk about it next time. Where is this? Please go and get the money. They will take her, oh? For peace sake.
Just keep it quiet. Because of this thing. If not,
What is wrong? Listen, Boniface just died.
I know.
Won't you let us have peace in this family?
But are we not going to survive? I got that, when you fill up, go and go. Oganya medan obodo mu anu. Wanya no obolacho. No, don't worry. I na fe chene ka obota am kai fun. Okay, mama. Na ni na amoro wanya o. Una amoro wanya. O wan iste room e fa bia ma chikole.
It's okay, she's here. Tell you. How much do you have?
You don't count it. No, I don't count it.
How much do you have?
14,520 naira.
Huh?
14,520 naira. Nani unafuna nani ni biyo okwani. Unafuna ni no nyori no no. Nani? Let me go.
Tell him no. No, tell him. Tell him no.
People, I beg you, just leave me alone. No. Nobody will rest in this house until Rebecca brings out that money. No, you leave me alone, no.
Barely one day after the burial.
Nani, I don't care. Let people see me. Let them hear me. There will be no rest in this compound until that money comes out.
Maria, you will be the one to
Hey!
Rebecca! How many times did I call you Rebecca? 3. Now listen. Rebecca, if we leave this compound without this matter being settled amicably, I swear to the gods of this land, you have the whole of our kinsmen to contend.
Oh yes.
Nani.
You face the whole of our kinsmen.
Nani, because if I can't go for kinsmen, if I'm Maria and Rebecca's war, Nani, because
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't understand what you're talking about. Because I have given you every time you gave.
So what do you want?
I am tired of this family. Look, if anybody should invite me again as regards to this, to come and put mouth into the matter of this family, I will disappoint that person. I will disappoint the person.
Listen, Lawrence,
Always here, man.
What you are saying is just the truth. So the same thing is applicable to me. Very, very soon, I will back out from there.
Man, if you go, one that woman is vicious, very wicked. She is evil. She is epitome of wickedness. If for bunaga wickedness, other one, listen.
Both of them are the same thing. If one worker has the same opportunity this one has, she will even perform more than her. Yes.
Women are not supposed to be created in this world.
No, you don't question God. Only God knows why He created them. So let us leave it the way it is.
That family,
that's not
I called you people. Yes, all is well. This man here is a lawyer. He has come to read out our husband's will to us.
Our husband's will?
Yes.
Written by who?
Your father.
Our husband wrote a will before he died.
What kind of stupid question is that?
What's not getting?
The will was written and signed by our father.
As your child. As people want to assume. My father did not write any will. Oh yes. Is that why you want to break our table? You have a devil. Are you stupid? You're mad. You are stupid.
Shut up. Please. Let us all respect ourselves. Lawyer, proceed.
This is my way. I, Mr. Etiko Boniface. Etiko Boniface Way, written on 29 March 2017. This is the comprehensive list of the copy and how it will be shared. Number 1, my main building goes to my first wife, while the second building goes to my second wife, the cash crops that surround my house. The palm trees are 7 in numbers. 4 goes to my first wife, Mrs. Ozoko Rebecca, while the remaining 3 goes to my second wife, Mrs. Ozoko Maria. 3. The land at Okwe goes to my first daughter.
There's nothing like what you just did.
This thing never existed. Yes. Listen. What? Very good. Jesus. Maria. We know our husband.
Your husband's will, not our husband.
Because of Chapo.
I have another couple. Let the mad woman.
Useless you.
Leave our house.
Easy. You want another copy. My original will not be 1 copy. I'm Pama. You had onye ma nke fa na aje pụta ị na-echefa afụlụrụ m nwaanyị a na ụmụ mgbe ọbụla ọ na-eko ọbịa
Just I'm their lawyer.
Are you mad? Will you get out of my way?
You are stupid. You're not going anywhere. Useless man.
Madam, Madam, will you get out of my way? I will push you. Will you get out of my way? Will you get out of my way?
My mother that you push.
Like
You're very hopeless.
Do you know this little rat?
Who is the little rat?
With my mother blocking my way.
Maria, must you always show yourself? Respect yourself for once. Eh? Oh, give me. Lawyer, because no, I bet. What kind of people?
Madam, we see in court.
What court?
Where is she? Where is that your stupid daughter? Where is she? Esine, come out! Call that your stupid daughter to come out. Hey, don't even shout at me. I said, where is Esine?
Where is Esine?
Now, where is Esine?
I don't want to use force on you. Tell Esine to come out and tell me what Lotana did to her that made her beat her up like that.
Because Rebecca
you see,
this is a case of two fighting pens without ink.
Let's call her out. Call her out.
No, make one. Look at this girl.
Esine, come out.
Come and fight.
Come here, let's dig it out.
If you're not afraid, come out.
You're very stupid. Come here now. Come now.
Hey, come here. I get ring it around. What I get ring it around. Oh, I see. I get ring it around.
The last meeting we had with you people, I told Ini Edo on the way that I will disappoint anybody who calls me for anything concerning this you people again. Huh? I have made up my decision, and that decision is final. I am sorry to disappoint you this time that you need me most. I'm sorry, I'm leaving.
Lawrence, please sit down.
Huh?
Sit down.
Now you said I should sit down.
Sit down, Lawrence.
Odima, I will sit down, but I have made my point clear. I am not party to any of your meetings here now.
It's okay. Lawrence has spoken, and I concur. What he said is the truth. It's high time you should be left out of your matters. So, if you know the way you will sort yourself out, go ahead and do it in your own way. And leave us alone out of your endless matters.
Every time,
simple as that.
Ogo.
I solicit on their behalf. Please.
My elders, as it stands now, I'm free to go.
Sir, you are not free to go. You cannot go anywhere. You are evil woman.
Jehovah.
Oh yes. Now let me tell you, and I will tell you to your face. You are the cause of all the problems in this family.
Jehovah.
How about Jehovah? You are an evil woman. We married you and not the other way around.
Jehovah. Yeah? Lawrence, did you just call me an evil woman?
Queen, you are an evil woman.
Don't you ever point your finger at me again. You want Yara? Eh? If you do that again, eh? I will do to you what an evil woman will do.
What do you think, man? You cannot do me anything.
I'm shut up.
Don't sit up.
You heard him. You heard him when he called me an evil woman. Eh? I'm a Meruna. Chineke Bokwanoku. Kamalu Mobokuru. Yurake. Get Ogwazu. Ilacham gave me for woman.
Biko, please calm.
Shut up! I'm not going to want to calm down. Instead of able to tell this not man enough to correct his stupid statement, would I never ask him shut up and sit down? Can I ask him calm down? Brother! In short, this meeting is over. One time, Uno. Nonsense.
Nonsense. Rebecca. Rebecca.
Two women in one house, or somehow. Mobile argument, or fight. Aye, Osuga, Onye, aye, Okotobaga, Gini name. Two women in one house, or somehow. Mobile argument, or fight.
Mama Kiriyo. What is it?
Adobe.
Mama, what is it? Did anyone fight you? Did they insult you? Talk to me. Mama, what is it? Talk to us now. Mama, what is it?
Prince, you called me, an evil woman.
He called you an evil woman? Why?
As in, Mama, I don't understand. Lawrence called you an evil woman. As in, what did you do? What did you do?
I did nothing to him. I did not even say anything to him. And he called me an evil woman.
Mama.
Opa Lawrence, he will know that I'm an innocent woman.
Mama, don't worry. Let us go and find out why he called you an evil woman.
Just relax.
Just wait.
Mama, we are coming back.
We are coming back.
Just relax. Do you need anything? Okay, we are coming.
Hey, Lawrence, Chineke akpọdala Lawrence ọkụ. Kamala ọmọgbọdụ Kamala ọmọgbọlẹ o. Okay. Any Rebecca woman. Okay. I better run.
She is not capable of doing anything. She has no claim over that land. She can't take it over. He has no right. Don't worry.
I'm not afraid of her, but I don't want you people to just relax because I don't want her to take over that land. It belongs to both of us.
Don't worry.
That's my own.
Don't worry. The king's men. The king's men will say what is it? What is it?
And we're on our way to your house.
Thank you, you're here. What is it?
Oga, did you call our mother evil woman?
Hey, Chideke, get out. Don't even say anything.
We are not talking to you. Just stay out of this case. Hold it.
Hey, I called your mother a witch because she is one. She is an evil woman. Yes.
So you even have the guts to say it on my first present. Are you not afraid?
Hey!
This is not ordinary.
Huh? Yes, it is not ordinary. But a drastic step has to be taken to put a full stop to it.
So, Lawrence is now in the hospital. Hi.
What happens to you?
Hello, thank God you are here. I was talking to Maria, Ezime's mother. All of a sudden, Adobe and her sister Edina just bounced on me. They started beating me. Now go. I can't miss. What have I done? Because I called their mother an evil woman. Oh wow!
Papa, you mean Adobe and Lutana laid their filthy hands on you?
They did not lay their hands on me. Boom, boom, boom. They nearly killed me. Only God saved me. I'm not me female.
Carol, has Papa eaten?
Yes, I managed to so much. And the doctor said we have to buy some so we have to get new drugs. Just like that.
Okay, Mama. Sorry. Carol, you just let me see the doctor. No.
It's alright. I will be okay.
You think we are here to play? Come on, from jump. I will do it to myself. Oh yeah, jump. 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 Fast. Come on, jump. Come on. Go down, my friend. I will kill you here. Go down. Rico. Up. Wait for me, I'll do it now. Go. Oh yeah.
Pano! No, where are you going? Mama, leave them! Mama,
I am not. Even if you're not satisfied, it's enough now. You can kill her, mommy. You want to kill her? No, you need to stop this thing. I can't take it anymore.
Mama.
Yes?
These men you see right there, they are not on illegal duty. I don't care about any outcome. I don't care.
Whether they are illegal or not illegal, I care about the outcome.
They are not my sisters. Continue. Deal with them. In fact, after you give me their number for subsequent...
I don't want again. I don't want anybody to die in front of my house.
Nobody is dying.
I think you should stop this.
Mama, have you forgotten what they did to us?
Kusifa is when I'm going to Kusifa. I will join in that big pillow if you don't stop it now.
Mama, go. I'll hold my mother.
Magede.
I'm this fool! You're calling me your sister.
What are they?
Hey! Oga, this is how we do it. Pippin now. Pippin! You Pippin! One blow, 7 apples. Hey. 10 apples.
Yes. Nna. From this upu mango. See the other upu mango.
Okay, the other one there.
Yes, like this.
Alright, madam. Well, I've seen the land. It's a nice one. The thing is that I will get back to you probably after I've seen my lawyer.
Okay, but you have to be fast about it. Delay is dangerous. Okay. You will. Okay. Like I said.
Was the signpost not here the first day you came to the land?
Not at all, barrister. The thing is that I don't get it. Who mounted this signpost here? I'm sorry, hold on a minute. Let me put the call through. I can't believe this. Yeah, hello? Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, actually, we're in the land now, me and my barrister. But the thing is that we saw a signpost that's being mounted here. Were you the one that mounted it? Okay.
You know what? And don't worry. I'll call you back.
I said I will call you back.
What did she say?
The barrister, believe me, this land is not a genuine land.
Even the woman in question is so amazed on the phone. She has no idea about the signs. I suspect a foul play, right? I think we should leave this place, okay? Let's go.
It is you. Is it your land? Eh? Just go and remove that signpost.
Please. That land belongs to both of us. It's not just your land.
Belongs to you? See. That land belongs to me and nobody else.
Rebecca, you will never change. Eh? We have come too far not to stop this fight. This is the same land that took our husband's life. And we are here fighting over it. That land had been there before both of us were born. And it will be there when we die. We can't even take it to our grave. So, because I was never in because...
Hey, excuse me. I still remember the question I asked.
Yes. You asked me who puts the signpost on the land.
Yes.
And I said it is me.
Good.
Good.
Just go and remove it. Go and remove it. But that does not mean I cannot fight. Just go and remove it.
Yet you want to fight. Are you not even ashamed of yourself, Wanya?
Come on, Mabuokwegi. Come on, Mabuokwegi. You don't get a preacher him sermon. He won yara.
He won ya pari.
Sorry, preach sermon. Maka on a church.
In my church.
He won yara.
He won ya pari.
Ukurama. Ogwanagama lulio.
It's all no.
Give you one. I have very clear. I got his share boy. Bring that her. I got him. Hello, Rebecca.
It's not this slippers.
And let me just slippers.
You want your
come on, Mabuokwegi.
What is the matter?
My players brought this man and this lady to me a few minutes ago. And when they came, they said something, and I feel there is need for you to be present. Yes. Mr. Man, I told you that somebody that must be part of this meeting. This is the man. You can now repeat yourself.
Thank you very much. Like I said earlier, we are from Nigerian multinational telecommunication company.
Which network is that?
Etiko Communication Limited.
Oh, the Maziko. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we are in charge of masts, and a particular land has been chosen to mount our mast in this town. So after all necessary inquiries, we are directed from our team, and that is why
Naili. Which land is that?
Boniface land.
Madam, please, could you tell us your name, the name of your husband, and where you are from?
Thank you. My name is Mrs. Rebecca Uzioko. My husband, Boniface Uzioko. I'm from Ubisi in Imo State. Thank you.
Yes. Right. Please, madam, could you also tell us your name?
You're welcome.
The name of your husband, and also where you're from.
My name is Maria Asper Ekenem Maria. I am Mrs. Maria Bombom Ozioko. Sorry. Bombom, that's the nickname I used to call my husband. His name is Boniface. Maria Boniface Ozioko. I'm from that big town on the Gola Kuponano called Oka in Anambra State.
Let's use
If this woman had sold her, how would she have felt now?
Is that why you're crying?
I'm not crying. They're just tears of joy.
Mama, it's okay. Don't feel bad. Mama, thank God. She couldn't sell it. Okay? I just feel for Papa. If he was alive, what about Obina? Obina would have been able to buy loads and loads of lands. Obina would have... Mama, please. I beg you, don't cry.
I'm not crying.
You are.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Mama, don't worry. Until this money is given to us, then I will show you that all fingers are not equal.
You know, I've been thinking of how to pay her, but I've not been able to come up with anything yet.
Something happened to you soon.
Then I'll be doing show.
Oh, Nemo.
I'll be doing show.
Nemo.
And the whole world will be calling me Mommy.
Mommy. Mommy.
Because I know that Maria is a beauty. She wouldn't know what to do with that brand.
forgive me.
What is it? Why are you calling my late mother's name like that? What is it?
I am sorry.
Sorry for what?
I am sorry, please.
For what now?
Forgive us. Forgive. I'm sorry. Forgive us. Forgive us.
Can I get the phone?
We killed up in now.
Sorry. You did what?
There is the plot. Take.
You can monitor him with this mirror. Now at your own convenient time, if you wish to kill him. Take. Always wear it on your waist. His breeze will not affect or harm you. And you will never see him in your dreams again. He will never come close to you again. You can go.
Jesus! Hey! Shoot! Hey!
Please forgive us.
I'm not shopping. You!
Mama, isn't it? I was coming to your house.
What happened to the land again?
That same land that's been causing problems in our family has been chosen to mount a network communication map, and it's going to fetch a lot of money.
My name is Etiko. Tell me, what actually do you want? And it will be done.
Ezokoro, we need to have the money alone with our mother, So please get rid of everybody that is involved.
Who and who are involved? All right. I'm coming. Take. Rub it in your palm. Touch whatsoever that are involved. That person will sleep and will never wake up.
Ezokoro. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. Don't worry, when the money is paid, we'll get you a car. A very big motor.
Oji moto, Emongo.
My palm, Jesus. If I had met you and touched you, by tomorrow, you people would have been history. I have always known that both of you are evil, but to the extent of taking my little brother's life. You killed Obinna. Jesus Christ! What is this? What is this? What is this? You will not talk?
Rebecca, sir, like I told you earlier, the elders have resolved to banish you from this community. You and your children.
My husband, why?
Don't call that name again. I've told you. Woman, go and face the consequences of your children's action. Agunyakonam, count me out. In accordance with the tradition of Ibagokwe community.
ever showing us love. Let everything that happened to me. I have blessed these children. The best thing that happened to me this my lifetime is knowing you and having you as a co-wife. Magaram, you have a good heart. We are sorry. Whatever is my share, give it to her. Give it to them. No, they deserve it, no. Give it to them.
Mommy, please don't go. Mama, no, come and take your share. Don't go, Mommy.